My kids always have to remind me that I can search for answers to questions on my phone. Unlike me, they grew up with smartphones, so they know how to get results to solve problems quicker. This is the purpose of marketing. It's to inform you of solutions to problems. Of course, they want you to invest your time and money in their product, so you need to know how marketing science uses brain science to get you to choose the results that they are selling. It's based on the fact that your brain is hardwired with three qualities to keep you safe: time travel to the past and the future, with a bad news bias so it can find any real or potential threats to your survival. And when it does, it stores that information for future use. We need this. We could not survive without these three qualities in our brain. The classic formula for both health information and marketing is to tell you about the problem and all the risks of that problem, and then give you a solution to that problem with social evidence of how the results helped other people and quotes from experts. And because our brain has that bad news bias, we end up sharing that bad news. Just notice the next time you're in conversations with others how it goes to that bad news and what could go wrong. So that brain-based, problem-focused mindset of being healthy can spread like wildfire. We end up searching for results in a survival mindset rather than a thriving mindset. A thriving mindset comes from knowing that this is just what your brain does. It's normal and it's needed. But your brain is only 1/4 of your well-being. It cannot do the job of keeping you surviving and thriving without the other parts of your whole person. Just like with that internet search for solutions, knowing what to do is just the first step. Choosing the solution for your own well-being that's worth the investment in your time and energy comes from using the other parts of your whole person, shifting your attention into your body to bring awareness back to the present, knowing your core why so you can trust what you know in your gut brain and your heart brain about the results that you really want. And then shifting your physiology into the well state by moving mindfully before making a decision for your well-being. Making choices in the stress state is more likely to be reactive and influenced by outside forces. In the well state, you can be guided by inside, so your choices are based on the most personalized, up-to-date information about what's right for you right now. These are the steps of the Be Well Now method. You can learn them for free in my Foundations for Whole Person Health course. I just updated it to be super simple, just in time for this busy time of year. In just 10 minutes a day for 7 days, you will have this skill so that you can maneuver through all the health information in a way that supports your whole person health. Click the link below to get these skills so you get the results you really want.